English textbook for class 1 and look at page 23. Students, yesterday we have started half of this chapter at the zoo, and today we will study the left paragraph, half of the chapter. And so students, what we have read yesterday, that a boy was telling that he has gone to a zoo with his family as a family trip, and he was telling that like has gone with her mother, her father, her sister, and he was telling that he have seen beautiful birds there, and monkeys there, who was swimming from one place to another, like to and fro. I have told you the meaning, that from going from one place to another, moving here and there again and again. And then the boy was telling that they have eaten ice cream, and her sister was linking means that eating she was eating the ice cream from by using her tongue, and the ice cream was also melting. And there he saw a lion who was roaring. A roaring is a type of a sound which is a loud sound, which a lion usually make. Then we then then the boy was assuming then whether this why he's whether he was assuming that the reason, where he was thinking about he was guessing that what is the reason that why he is roaring. So he was saying that whether the lion look angry, or whether he is hungry, either he is aggressive, or he is not in a good mood, or he is aggressive, he wanted to eat something, he need food. So but same he was then he was starting comparing himself with him, like, look, he's so strong and I'm so weak. And then he saw, and the boy was also telling that there he saw a yellow and brown giraffe. Now let's read it. Look, he is walking to and fro in the cage. To and fro means, students, from one place to another. From one place to another. Angry, or he is hungry. Angry means not in a good mood, aggressive, and or hungry means he need food. Look, he looks so strong, I look so weak. Like he was saying, he was comparing. The boy was comparing the boy. This is the boy. He was comparing himself with the lion. Like, look, he is so strong and I'm so weak. Come here, see the yellow and the brown giraffe. Yellow and the brown giraffe. He is so tall. He is now telling about the giraffe, that he is so tall. I look so short. The boy is comparing. Then first he was comparing with lion. Now he is comparing with a giraffe. Like, he is so tall and I am so short. Come quickly. Look. The zebra has stripes in black and white. Stripes mean, like, if you see the zebra here, he has like black patches, patches, black and white patches on her body. So these patches, and these black and white patches are called stripes. Are you getting me? Stripes mean patches. Lines. Basically, these are lines in black and white. He looks so neat. The boy is saying the zebra, which have lines, which have stripes on her body, with these stripes, the zebra looks so neat. Father is back with tickets for the elephant ride. Now he is saying his father is back with holding tickets in her hand. For what? For elephant ride. For elephant ride, his father has buy a ticket for elephant ride. Come this side. Look, I am going to climb this big elephant. Like for him, it was such a big thing. Like as elephant is such a huge animal, and he is a little boy. So he was saying like, look, I am. He was like, he was happy at one time, and she was telling with so much happiness and so much. Uh, car- uh, so much happiness, like, I am going to climb now, I am going to climb this big elephant. Who can get hurt by an ant? Who can get hurt by an ant? Being at the zoo is fun. Like he is saying, like an elephant is such a big animal. He was saying elephant is such a big animal, but still it get hurt easily when by an ant. An ant is a small, tiny animal, but he was saying that he can the elephant can hurt easily by an ant, by a small ant. And he was also saying that being a zoo is so much fun. It's fun, like being like watching going to zoo and watching these animals, and watching these animals and knowing new things about them is fun basically. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Are this all things is clear to you? I hope this chapter is clear to you, and each and every word has clear to you with meaning. And what you have to do, you have to read it at home, 2, 3, or 5 times at least, and then tomorrow we will going to do exercise of this chapter. Are you getting me? Thank you.